Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, memory module, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, trunks, thermal module, and motherboard. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the power button board. Remove the mylar that covers the power button board. Remove the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power button board.